Glad glad boom, y'all know the vibes. Like what? Lil K, big dreams, y'all know what I'm talking about. And I feel what I said, and don't check my rap, anything that I said I can handle it. And I'm hand out free. I want it for me. I want it so I demand it. And I do my own thing. I rap with Jamaican, they know that Lil K got steam. Gra gra boom! Yeah. Lil K! Yeah. Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what?
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I give me that no.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back again to the next YouTube video. Right today, lotion. A joke. Today I go studio. Of course, I go carry on with me because I don't know I stay on the yard. Like this is gonna be my first studio vlog. Hopefully, it go good. I'll go alright. But before I go into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know what time now. Like 11 or 12 something. I'm pretty sure studio like 3 o'clock, so that means we feel left for like 2:20. Long. And this is my first feature to some. Ooh, I forgot to put mascara on. Why would I do that? See? But anyways, but I gonna go live. But me I say, why me to just make one YouTube video? Because me gonna go live, but just not this time. Maybe next time I go studio, I go live. But on Instagram or on TikTok. But me I say, I'm gonna go live for have a whole YouTube channel. Just make one video and give the people it. Because I don't want to see when I go to studio how it go. And this is actually my first feature. You know, say in the future, I'm gonna go fat, you know. I joke, but I'm gonna put a little weight. Because everybody know we just. Because when they just always got one slim body and then boom, in the future they eat up the whole of the green bean, curry goat, baked macaroni and cheese, big burger, big slice of pizza, them something there, some big juice, and then just get swell. I do not swell, but you feel me? I'm gonna still not at my next destination. Well, this is not my next destination, but I say why not make one? Oh. Yo! May I do something?
I look young, but I'm only 18. Speak too many they can't say that I mean. I get a little aggressive, cause this for my dream. How should I feel? The girl too shift. Put him out, but it still wasn't it. Alright, guys, what time? At 2:08. Oh gosh, my God, I'm fat. I'm for commentary road, so I say, alright. Oh gosh, I did I run up on hill. You know, I cannot get fat, so you know, pressure upon me. I joke. Alright, so, but they think I go left out like 2:30, but I left out earlier than that. Well, that good. Okay. You see me for hurry up like.
Need that money, and you got to get that money. $100 million.
But hopefully today go good. I just hope today go good. That's all me I hope. I'm tired. Alright, see you now.
Murderer, killing this beat, I'm a first degree murderer. Do not compare us, I'll do the word treasurer. Doing it clever than all the new veterans. Maybe a recruit, but my skills are exceptional. Up on my pen is the view is incredible. Oh my God, Lil K. But don't assume we don't got a big one. Popping here with the mafias, when the gakudas wanna rock with us, gotta show us your income. Yeah, Mitchell. Mafia.
Glad glad boom, y'all know the vibes. Like what? Lil K, big dreams, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like what? That's it. Huh? Ad-lib Sam? Alright, we'll listen. And I do more things. I rap in Jamaican and you're not in the case.
But don't assume we don't got a big one. Pop it in with the mafias. When I rock with this, when I rock with this, gotta show some income. Gangster, but I want you to take you for ransom. Talking like this, so you're taken from London. Hopping up with my they chosen by random. J.A. Phantom.
And I be more so I'm gonna pretend. I want it to cause
Trends, I want to be the last. Looking out for me the game. Gotta get rid of this game.
I get who I am. If it's not me, only cause I'm scared.
Yeah, going to the top, no regrets. Power over money, that's all.
You want lip singing? Like lip singing. Like when we did the phone. But I forgot using the lyrics on my phone. Not for record though. Like somebody else, I forgot record so. And I told I said it no cap, no I rap anything that I said I can handle it. And I'm hand out free. I want it for me. I want it so well demanded. And I do more things. I rap with Jamaican, they know that other kids are standing.
But don't assume we don't got a big one. Popping in with the mafias. When I rock with this, when I rock with this, gotta show their income.
They like them bright.
I want it for me. I want it so well demanded.
And I do more things. I rap with Jamaican, they know that other kids are standing.
But don't assume we don't got a big one. Popping in.
Nah.
Rap anything that I said I can handle it, and I'm hand out free. I want it for me. I want it so I am demanding. And I do more things. I rap with Jamaican, they know that the kids are standing.
Like what?
But don't
Rap anything that I said I can handle it, and I'm hand out free. I want it for me. I want it so I am demanding. And I do more things. I rap with Jamaican,
They know that the kids are standing. Like what?
But don't assume we don't got a big one. Popping in with the mafias. When I rock with this, when I rock with this, gotta show their income.
From a gangster. But I got brothers with it.
Rap anything that I said I can handle it,
And I'm hand out free. I want it for me. I want it so I am demanding.
and I do more things.
I rap in Jamaican, they know that the kids are standing.
But don't assume we don't got a big one. Popping in with the mafias. When I rock with this, when I rock with this, gotta show their
Hold
income.
on. Hey.
And I be more tough, I'm gonna pretend.
I don't need a scholar to hop in a bin.
I ain't forcing no slang.
I've never a groupie out here with no gang.
Be on my top.
It happened back then.
They see I'm determined.
They know I'm a. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna use record though. Can you use the phone? Can you use the phone for record?
Mafia.
We can borrow your phone for record. We can borrow your phone for record.
Going to the top, no regrets. Power over money, that's our threat. Be careful what you say, don't make no threats. That walk you walk may be your last step. Capture this head like a camera. Enough with your pain, I'll be murderer. Killing this beat, I'm a friend, you be murderer. Do not compare us, I'll be the word treasurer. Doing it clever than all of you veterans. Maybe a recruit, but my skills are up on my pedestal, do is incredible.
When I hop on the beat,
Damage.
The K's the one that can manage.
and I feel what I said, and no cap in my rap.
Anything that I said I can handle.
I want it for me. I want it so I am demanding. And I do my own thing. I rap with Jamaican, they know that the kids are
I
standing.
got LilK. But don't assume we don't got a big one. Popping in with the mafias. And I got with this, when I rock with this, gotta show their income. Far from a gangster, but I got bros who would take you for ransom. Talking like this is the team from London. Popping a whip on the chosen by random. J.A. Phantom.
And I be on myself.
I don't gotta pretend. I don't need a scholar to hop in a bin.
Okay, I talk, I ain't forcing no slang. Yo,
I hear no gang.
be on my top. It happened back then. They see I'm determined. They know I'ma win. Watch out, I'm trying to be your best friend.
No, they are my people. Like this is a trend. I what?
Going to the top, no regrets. Power over money, that's our flex. Be careful what you say, don't make no threats. What you want, make it last. Let us look in order for me to gain. I gotta get rid of this pain. I might be push away the shame of doing music differently.
They not in my lane.
Get on my face, walk in the boot, and my heart started race. Cause I know what I want, I know who I am. If it's not me, only got stop splitting.
Mom no cool cause it came with a boat. Got a screw up the sea, get a yacht, let it float.
Tell me who we are, so I already know. But get it correct, cause we from the
Hey, the
know.
homies want came when I'm going for the bakery. Invest with the door while I let it rise faithfully.
In the world that learn to take, what we got to say. Okay, you know what I'm talking about?
Mafia.
Yeah.
Yeah, boom.
gonna put this song out by anyways, but me just
Mafia.
the phone can go right here, sis. Kevin phone.
Yeah.
Got boom and
Literally.
I what? Look at the dreams, I know what I'm talking about.
Ready now? Ready to the
No more idea what it's up.
Me never record. I never record. No, I want to go.
Right.
You ready now?
Yeah.
Alright, so. More energy though.
Alright guys, so I'm finally reach home now. At 8:44. Like my up on headache. I need my hat. I'm my headache. So I'm gonna be it now. But this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully only like this song when it's full. Oh, somebody did look. Look at that mirror. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment or subscribe if you wanna like this song or not. If you don't wanna hear full song, wanna hear one little snippet, snap it, whatever you wanna call it, prack it, but a little bit more later.
This is chunLi Session for TVJ News.